Boys?
Oh, yeah,
Oh, you already got the ring off.
yeah, well, I actually thought it would be stuck on there.
Yeah, I'm shocked it's not.
Oh,
That
yummy.
cinder's delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's
Cute.
that's lovely.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I wonder what the inside looks like.
That is lovely.
Let me get a light.
Ugh.
Big O? No, it's top.
There's
I love how. Oh God.
Crusties. Oh, ew. Oh, Donkey's peeling back the flavor.
Oh yeah. It's not too bad actually. Just a shit ton of surface rust.
It's still nasty.
In a fuel tank.
Yeah, that's terrifying in a fuel tank.
Wonder if the float still floats.
Mm-hmm. Pop it out of there and throw it in the top of the washer and see. Donkey's gonna do an experiment. Is this a sociological experiment?
Well, it floats.
Nice. Well, got that going for us. How pretty is it inside? Is it sinking? Oh.
No, you can.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's gas, not water.
Oh, it's not any better.
Old gas, too. Yuck. How's
Oh God, oh yeah, hey.
Wait. Oh, look. It's like popping a zit. What you doing, Xander Ho? Oh, look at that. Disgusting. Trying to hold my hand. Look at this. Together forever. On
That's
you.
actually not that bad.
Mm.
Hey, switch holes.
Switch holes.
There's a lot of surface.
I want to look in the hole.
Yeah, there's some crust in there. No, look all the way towards the bottom.
Trying to shoot it.
Oh, focus.
Definitely getting
Yeah, there it is. Oh yeah.
That is disgusting all the way through. All right.
I'm still yet to see anything working.
Pour it.
Yeah, the drain plug is like welded on there basically.
Do they sell replacement gas tanks for those?
I haven't even looked yet.
Probably tanks.
There must not be much in it.
Thanks for nothing. Oh. It's like,
Tilt this way.
ooh, ooh, ooh. It's like orange.
It's varnish.
That's disgusting.
How long does it take to turn it to varnish?
Years.
Not crappy California gas.
I don't know how much better that's gonna get.
Ooh,
Yeah, gas is not supposed to open that.
that's pretty gross. Good enough. Grand already? It's early.
Dude, that Dodge I'm working on.